no? Nagpantay yung height nyo. Na ganun eh, no? Minsan lang. Belle, Donnie, can I get your quick reaction please sa ating cute na poster?
Nakakatuwa po kasi actually dito rin po kami nag-shoot ng poster namin. And pagpasok ko kanina, sabi ko, parang ganito tayo nagsimula. And nandito
That was
na
how many
tayo.
months ago?
Kailan
That
po yun?
was October.
Oh, wow. About
So,
4 months ago,
Yeah,
no?
a couple of months ago
nakakatawa
na.
po.
Pero, ang galing nyo kasi, same shoot yun, pero ibang-iba yung poster. Sobrang ganda.
Galing ng
Tapos may
creatives.
coffee pa, tsaka red flag dyan.
And, but plus, we're sitting sa surfboard.
Oh, di ba?
Yes, yung nag-shoot kami, nakaupuan lang